Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate monday.com, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate monday.com, start by visiting the official website at monday.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on Sign Up. Next, check your email inbox for a confirmation message from monday.com. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the monday.com site. Now, you'll be asked to create a password for your account. Choose a strong password and enter it in the designated field. Once your password is set, click on Continue. You'll then have the option to fill out your profile information. Add your name and company name if applicable, then click Next. On the next screen, you will find various templates to choose from. Select a template that best suits your workflow needs. Once selected, click Use Template to proceed. Now you can customize your chosen template as per your requirements. Add teams, projects, or tasks to your board as needed. Feel free to explore additional features and settings to enhance your experience. Once you have everything set up, you're ready to start using monday.com effectively. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your monday.com account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.